Greetings everyone! Today we're gonna do a different video, a video that I didn't plan to do actually, but what I have here in this box is something really cool, so I just decided to share it with all of you. What I'm gonna unbox here is a new brush that I ordered from Trotter Handcrafts, and it's something that I'm really excited about. I just cut it, I haven't opened it, so I'm opening it for the first time. Very well packaged. Okay, let's put this on the side. You may wonder why I'm in the bathroom, but my kid is sick right now, so he's going over a virus and it's napping, so that's the place that I will disturb him the least. So here we are in the bathroom for a video that it will be unboxing video. Okay, the brush is coming in this nice pouch. If you haven't heard about Trotter Handcrafts, I'll leave a link below to the website. Paul is the maker of these brushes and they're amazing. Ever since I discovered about Trotter Handcraft brushes, I knew that I'm gonna order one day. And this one is an amazing brush. Nicely packed. Oh, there is something else there. A small thank you note from Paul. Fantastic. Paul is really cool, by the way. I was chatting with him and discussing a few things, asking him silly questions, because, you know, I don't know much about brushes. I want to extract as much knowledge as possible, so he was super cool to answer all the questions that I had. We were discussing some of the options that he provides for his brushes, because there are so many cool options, and I was split between, I don't know, a lot, and I narrowed it down to 2 or 3, and at the end he ended up posting on his website this brush over here that I can't wait to see in person. Okay, wow, here we are, black Locust brush. It's looking phenomenal. What a great pattern of this wood. First time hearing about this type of wood. The camera is not doing it justice from what I can see on the screen here, but yeah, amazing. So this is with the T1 badger knot that Paul provides with his brushes. So soft on the top, feels great on the skin already. The coin with the horse, no smell at all. Very soft tips, great backbone, really nice brush. So it's funny, me and Paul were talking, I had a crazy idea probably to incorporate guitar inspired design, which I suspected that it cannot be guaranteed because it's a bit random to my limited knowledge of how he's doing the brushes, and it was a design that is slightly inspired from flamed maple tops of guitars. And the same day I think that we were discussing this, he posted this brush, which is not the same as flame maple, but pretty close with all these line patterns, and the moment that I saw it I was like, okay, yeah, that's calling my name, and here it is. Excellent brush. I'm gonna include a few photos from Paul's website so you can check it out, because the camera here on this light is not doing it justice. The brush looks fantastic. The craftsmanship is excellent. I can't wait to shave with this one. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed this short video. Let me know in the comments if you like this type of videos. I have something else traveling slowly towards me, so maybe we'll do another video for that when it arrives. And that's it. I'll see you in another one. Take care.